To round up the consultation visit to leaders and members of the All Progressive Congress APC for the 18 local government areas of the state for their support and nomination to be Edo APC governorship aspirant, Right Honorable Idahosa with his wife Osarete Idahosa and supporters don carry waka enter Etsako East, Etsako Central and Etsako West to yarn the people of the party say make them join body to support the ambition to be the party flag bearer for the party governorship primary wey go shele on Friday, February 17th. Right Honorable Idahosa for Etsako East to the leaders come chook mouth for im education background and the political office wey im don serve and say if dem make am the governorship candidate, im go transform Edo and im go make sure say im secure Edo from nama people. E come still talk say,
today I'm here in this local government to let you know that I'm contesting and I want to be sworn in as the next governor of Edo State. To continue from where Adams Aliu Oshomole stopped. We've had 3 governors that have made Edo people proud. They had the blessed memory of Samuel Ogbemudia. We have Professor Ambrose Ali, and we have Adams Aliu Oshomole. These are governors that have performed extremely well for the people of Edo State. And I'm going to follow their footpath. And I will make sure that I exceed their achievement to the glory of God and the good people of Edo State. I'm here to solicit for your support to nominate me on the 17th of this month, the upper Saturday, not this one. And this is strictly for party affairs. It's not for general voters. So the people that will vote me, that will give me the ticket, that will make me the flag bearer of our great party, are the people seated here today. And if I believed that I would be able to be a governor or be able to win the ticket without this local government, I don't think I will be here. So it shows that this local government is extremely important. So our people, I'm very, very much aware that we have prominent men and women in this local government. And all of us, we are going through a lot of things in this local government and across the state that has to do with insecurity. As the governor, by the grace of God, I will collaborate with all the security agencies to make sure our land is safe and secure. And also, and I want to assure you today, by the grace of God, when I emerge as the governor of Edo State, your tears will be cleaned up out of you. Oh yeah! So our people, I also make sure I've made a series of promises, and whatever I promised the good people of Edo, I will fulfill it. I made mention of local government autonomy. That shows that whatever funds that is appropriated to Etsako East will be given to you directly. Because there are great men and women that came out from this local government. Some were in the other party, some are in our party. But under my watch as a governor of Edo State, it will be one party. Because the way we are going to perform in APC, other political parties will come and join us. On our way from Benin, we did not use helicopter to get here. We used the road. And we saw the deplorable condition of the road. Under my watch as a governor of Edo State, we will have a good accessible road to all local government of Edo State. For our women, your dream is to train good children that will be good and be useful to the society. And the only way we can achieve that is through school. And I promised that by the grace of God, with your support, when I emerge as the governor of Edo State, just like our father did before, when they said Red Roof Revolution, there was schools everywhere in Edo State. This time around, I will build ultra-modern secondary and primary school in all the 192 wards that makes Edo State. In addition, for the women are the bedrock of every home. When we empower women, we empower a nation. Is that not so? That's why I've made a pledge that I will use my office as a collateral, a guarantor to all financial institutions across Edo State to give soft loan for our women to go back to their business. For our youth, you great Etsako is youth. Now youth o'clock we do. Even woman leader say she be youth. You not be youth, you be. So our people, for the youth, you see, when I was a commissioner for investment and PPP, my job was strictly simple. Go to abroad, bring foreign investors to come and build industries here in our state. And by the grace of God, now that I'm the governor, we will do more of that to bring industries to Etsako East. And once that is done, who is going to work there? We don't want youth when they say clero again. We don't know they use us for rubbish. We want youth that will dress with tie, with suit, and go to work, and the parents and the family and the community proud of them. So the great leadership of Etsako East, I'm here to beg you to solicit for your support that on the 17th of this month, by the grace of God, I will emerge as the candidate of our great party. And once that is done, I'm not here to come and make mouth. I'm not here to come and boast. When you give me the ticket, just be rest assured that APC have won the election.
Peter Okponohie, Chemo APC Etsako East local government, come talk say Dennis na man wey grace dey follow, and say as for him as a person, in dey follow party order, and say wetin the party say make them do, na im dem go follow.
My people, the prayer when me I teach my children, now I won't talk here publicly, make una hear am. Each time when I call my children to come and pray, they go dey pray for prosperity, they go dey pray for long life, they go pray for so many things. But on my own quiet time, I look at those prayers. I say the first thing when human being supposed to pray for na grace. The first thing when human being supposed to pray for na grace. If you have grace, you have long life. If you have grace, you have wisdom. If you have grace, you have wealth. As we dey here so, if grace fall on you, you go reach. Grace has fallen on so when you have grace, you have breakthrough, you have connection, you have money. So my brother, thank God for your grace. For us, in Etsako is Uhuru much. Because since you have grace, you will carry us along.
Yes, sir. Tested and trusted.
Yes, sir. My party faithful. His Excellency has just come to see us to tell us his ambition. But for us, it is no longer an ambition, it's a reality. Because when you are aspiring, you are struggling. But for us, the work has been completed. So all I have to say here is that what is bringing all of us together is the party. If not for the party, we will not be here. Every one of us would have been a different direction. Because first and foremost, we are not from the same community. So when you are in Kogi, you are in Ida, you are in Auchi, you are in everywhere. But because of the party, that is why we are here. So when the party say, you listen. So when the party speak, you listen. Because if you look too much, you will see spirit. So for me, the office when I don't occupy, so you don't do me for the meantime. I know what's the spirit. So I concur with the party. So I want to tell you, party people, the party is the ultimate. The party is supreme. The party is the base. The party is to issue a directive and a direction.
God bless you, sir.
Right? If you say you don't follow party, there are parties like APP. Even there's a party now that is BOP. I'm sure there is one like that. So for us in APC, we concur in Etsako East, we concur with the party.
For Etsako Central, Honorable Idahosa Konya, the party faithfuls of the Ogbonge development in go bring come the 18 local government area of Edo State if he become the governor of the state, and say make them join body to support and nominate him as the flag bearer of the party. He consti talk say.
Now I say my name, na Dennis Usagbon Idahosa. Oh yeah. Now you go as one for via Southwest. Now they go me. Now there I go primary school. Now I go secondary school. And from there, I go to university, where they call Western Delta University, to get my BSc. Then after that, I go University of Benin to go get my master's. And the first political appointment where I get now from our leader, His Excellency, Comrade Adams Aliu Eric Oshomole. And that position gave me at the age of 34 years old. I was just 34. I served there briefly, then they now gave me another appointment to represent the South region for board under the Federal Ministry of Environment. While I was still serving there, now they give me opportunity, say make I come house, come represent the Ovia people. And that election, not be for children. Be like Monday to go collect for inside fire. But to the glory of God, I won that election. And when I win the election, I don't use shame carry youth and women wasted down for storm and rain take vote for me.
That's true.
For Ovia, since 1999, nobody will don't represent them. We don't do what I don't do, even half. For the 4 years, I built 27 schools, 27. I built bridge. You know the one where they call bridge? Go get pillar. They'll come take her for up. Even governor not if you do one. But I do one for. I built construct many roads. Healthcare center, ski acquisition center, town hall. And I electrified 41 communities with solar street lights. So what I try to do now to make my people happy. Because if God give you power, not for yourself and your family, now for the people. So based on that, I make sure say of your people happy. Where the second time where I want contest, they say nobody will contest with me. Say make a carry go. So when I do that one, the same family where I face before, they call regroup again, carry Governor Obaseki join body. He say this boy go deal with her now. And then they plan, God they plan ahead of them. I come to one, I come win the election again. So the good people of Etsako Central, I not just come tell them and say, if you not give me position, I go do. I don't do one. I do. The way I use the mandate where God give to me and the people, take bless of young people. If you not vote for me, I go make sure say Etsako Central will be happy.
Just like I told you when I came, I said my politics is not that of do or die. Politics of ideas, of content, and understanding that there's a leadership hierarchy. And so when the party took a decision that out of the 29 of us, only one person will emerge. And in the process of doing that, they brought down the figures to 4. Just 4. Edo North completely was out of the equation because we have a minister. And so we have 3 Edo sons who are Edo North sons who are still going around. As far as we are concerned, they are just helping us to entertain members of APC. At the appropriate time, they will fall in line in the spirit of one party to move the aspiration of the party forward, represented in Dennis Idahosa, member of the Federal House of Reps. So please, when you see me here, it is because this is where the party is. I've told them repeatedly that nobody will use my head to break coconut again. I've been fighting battles, and they know that my battles are not easy. I found a man who is also a battle fighter. And so the party has directed that and this is where to go, and I have decided to align myself properly. We will guide to ensure that the bigger battle of winning the election towards Adebia Avenue will continue after February 17th.
John Saliu, APC Etsako Central Chemo Konyan say,
You have spoken to us, and we have listened, we have heard so much about you. I want to assure you that, by the special grace of God, we do our best to make sure that we carry you into this mandate. So I want to thank you and ask that you remember us when the time comes. This is one local government that is highly marginalized. One local government that is highly marginalized. But I do know that when it comes, we want to win tears in our eyes. Do not forget us. We will support you, and we will expect good in returns by the special grace of God.
It's gratifying to note that we have come this far because of the integrity and capacity of the aspirant that is in question. By the special grace of God, we are going to get there, we'll get a ticket, and we'll use it to deliver on the results that will make him the governor of the state.
Right Honorable Dennis Idahosa with his supporters constantly carry waka enter Etsako West to yarn them of the plans when he get for Edo people and the party. Chemo APC Etsako West Dada Ahmed contrary salute to Right Honorable Dennis Idahosa and his supporters and come say Etsako West stand with Dennis with full support.
This is your official visit first in Etsako West, and you can really attest the Etsako West people are for you. Because of the array and caliber of people that are gathered here. These are the think tank of politics in Etsako West, and by extension, Edo State. The people are for you. On their behalf, I welcome you to West. Dennis, you are already an household name in Edo North and in Etsako West. We know in the past few days, a lot of politics have passed under the water. And our people rightly understand the trend and the direction.
To the leaders and members of the party, Honorable Dennis Idahosa Kontok say,
for me to win that election with the wisdom of our leaders under the platform of APC, they searched around and they said, this is the person that will be able to unseat the incumbent. When they came to me, I never accepted until the intervention of our leader before I accepted it. And from the day I accepted that, I went on the field. And in the 2019 election, I was able to dislodge the incumbent and brought the mandate back to the party. With that mandate given to me in 2019, I was able to facilitate nothing less than 124 projects to Ovia Federal Constituency. And some of those projects, I built 27 schools in Ovia. I did some road constructions. I light up nothing less than 41 communities with solar street lights. I build bridges, skill acquisition centers, town hall centers, and the list goes on. With my performances within that 4 years, the leadership for the second election, which is 2023, they said they will not allow anybody to contest with me in the primaries. I was returned close. Again, the same family, they now regroup with the governor that withdrew from our party to further solidify their strength. But I didn't look at that. Because with God is a majority. One with God is a majority. So when it the election with the obedient wave, I know in Edo North, there's not much of obedient here or the movement. But in the south, it was very, very strong. And even with that, I was able to win my unit, I was able to win my ward, I was able to win my local government and my federal constituency. Because my own understanding, the only reason why we play politics is to win election. If you cannot win election, there is no business. You don't have any business to be in politics. Am I in your mind, sir? Am I speaking your mind? Yes. Because also, sir, in 2016, I was appointed to be the director of youth and student mobilization for the governor that left to the other party. And I campaigned in 192 wards that makes Edo State. So I'm familiar with the terrain. I know, based on what I did in that 2016, in 2020 again, I was also appointed for the same position. So if I'm a driver of youth, the obedient movement is from 18 years to 45. Those are the people that have fed up with this current system and they are looking for alternative. But with me, as the candidate of APC, with your support and by the grace of God, you should know that I can have won the election. The leadership of the party in Etsako West, I am not here to come and talk too much. I am here to solicit for your support. I know with your support, I will be able to win these primaries on the 17th of this month. And when I become the flag bearer of our great party, the rest is history. We will win the election.
Honorable Dennis Idahosa and former Commissioner of Information Prince Kazim Afegbad for their talk with Tori people come talk say.
You see the joy in the faces of our people in Aunchi here. This is Etsako West. We started from Etsako East, Central, and here we ended it in West. It is clear that God is using the people to nominate me as the flag bearer of our great party. Like I said yesterday, once that is done, the rest is history. I will win this election and bring the mandate back to our great party. On the 17th and at the primaries, may everybody go look for their slip with their voters card. May they go their various ward. May they go vote for Dennis. Once you vote for Dennis, you don't vote for light. You don't vote for development. You don't vote for security for your place. You don't vote for every good thing where God wants, may what they do. So on that note, I want to thank all of them. For those of them where they pray for me, where I travel everywhere for the 18 local government that makes Edo State without one record of accident. Now only God if you do one. And that same God will give us victory in Jesus' name.
All of us 29 we can emerge as candidate of the APC. Only one person will emerge. And since the leadership has pruned down the number to 4, I will choose one out of them. I don't know how to pretend in politics. My character is that people know where I belong. I feel that DENCO will represent my interest better. Every aspirant is my friend, every aspirant. But I can't support every aspirant. I will be making fool of myself. So DENCO is the man I have elected to be with. For next week, February is 17 primaries. And I pray that God will crown him with success so that we can face the greater challenge of ensuring that we defeat our opponents and return Edo State to APC in September 21st.
Make no not forget say, as we see him, now so we dey talk him. We know they take blame. From Edo North, Ekata Ojiseli, TMC TV News.